In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello and integrate YouTube videos effectively in just 5 minutes. Trello is an incredible tool for organizing your tasks, projects, and ideas, and with YouTube integration, it can become even more powerful and versatile. So let's dive right in. To get started first, you need to visit the Trello website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL trello.com. Once the website loads, you will see the Trello homepage, which is designed to help you capture, organize, and tackle your to-dos from virtually anywhere. It's a great resource for managing everything from personal tasks to company-wide projects. Next, you'll need to log in to your Trello account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, which is a straightforward process. For logging in, click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be swiftly logged into your Trello workspace. Once logged in, head over to your Trello workspace. This is where you'll begin to see the full breadth of your organizational tool at work, showing you any boards you may already have set up. Workspaces in Trello act as a hub for your projects and tasks, providing you with clear, visually organized access to what you need. From your workspace, navigate over to the Boards section. This can be done easily by looking for a dedicated Boards button or tab within the workspace interface. Clicking here will lead you to all the boards you have available. Think of these boards as individual project canvases where you can organize your tasks and ideas more specifically. Find and open My Trello board. If you're new, feel free to create a fresh board by clicking on the Create New Board option. Once you have your board open, you'll see various lists represented as columns where you can arrange tasks in the form of cards. Now locate and click on one of your cards to open it. A card is where the magic happens. It's your fundamental unit for managing individual tasks and pieces of information. Finally, to integrate a YouTube video, you'll need to embed it directly in a Trello card. Open a card and look for the option to add an attachment. Here you can paste a YouTube URL, which then embeds the video directly into the card. This feature is perfect for attaching instructional videos, vlogs, or presentations relevant to the tasks or projects your team is working on. By following these steps, you can seamlessly get started with Trello and start taking advantage of the powerful integration with YouTube to enhance your productivity and project management experience. I hope you found this guide useful and feel more equipped to organize your projects and tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Trello.